I finally received it, the Kerma Tdi performance intake for ALH engines. I ordered it mid-April 2017. It took 11 months to get it, but it finally came in. It's not a bad looking manifold. The welds around the top of the tubes are really nice. It's got like a rough powder coating on it. These welds could be a little better, but I can't complain. I couldn't do much better myself. I need to clean up the surfaces a little bit. It has some of the paint left on the mating surfaces, so it's got to be shaved off. It's really nice. The ends are threaded. It's a solid steel piece. It's not aluminum, so you can unscrew that cap and switch the ends to the other side. It is a little bit on the heavy side. It's almost 9 pounds, whereas the stock piece without the EGR is only 3 pounds, so maybe 4 pounds with the EGR. So I hope it those six little bolts hold it okay. Haven't had time to put it on yet, so I'm going to try to do some baseline testing, driving, before I install it to get an idea if it does make a big improvement with the setup I have, larger turbo and injectors and exhaust. So I'll be getting back to you as soon as I have some intel and I get it installed.